We'll begin by logging into Virtana Platform using your email address. If this is your first time signing in to a new installation of Virtana Platform, you are an administrator of your first organization by default. When you log in, you land on the Cost Savings Opportunities page. This is the default landing page for Virtana Optimize. You can see that there's a Configure a Cloud Integration to Start shown. Click Open Settings by either clicking here or clicking the sprocket. Navigate to Integrations, choose Cloud Providers. We can see that there are none currently set up, so click Add Integration and choose AWS Integration. Begin by giving it a name. The name cannot contain any spaces. The first step is to enable Cost Explorer. We're going to skip this step because almost everybody already has Cost Explorer enabled. Next, we need to enable Detailed Billing Analysis. For this, we need to use the AWS Cost and Usage Reports. You can do that by going to the AWS console. On the building page, there's a Cost and Usage Report section. You can either choose an existing report or create a new one. For more information about how to create a new Cost and Usage Report to be used by Virtana Platform, see how to create a Cost and Usage Report. When I choose an existing Cost and Usage Report that I have, you can see the report name, the S3 bucket, the report path prefix, the time granularity, and the compression type. These are the important fields. Now going back to Virtana Platform, we need the S3 bucket name. This is it here. We copy that and paste it into Virtana Platform. Now we need the report path prefix. We can find that here, copy that, and paste it into Virtana Platform as well. We're not using GovCloud. Now we need to choose what type of authentication to use. We recommend using the IAM role. To do this, we open the script in AWS. This will open a new page. We can see here the template. This is the template URL, which is the path to the template. This is the stack name, the account ID, and the external ID. The stack name is just the name of the stack that's getting created. This is the account ID of Virtana's production AWS account. This external ID is the same as the organization ID of the organization that we're creating. It's a UUID and provides a way for us to identify the organization. Then acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create some IAM resources. Now that it's begun, we'll sit at this screen for probably 10 to 15 seconds. You can hit the refresh button to refresh the screen. Now we can see the create was complete. Next we click Outputs, and this is what we're looking for, the role ARN. We need to copy this role ARN and now go back to Virtana Platform and paste that into the new AWS integration setup page. Notice how there's an account ID and external ID. These are used if we're going to configure the IAM role manually. The script entered these automatically. Under advanced filtering, don't enable any of these things. These can be safely ignored during sign-up. Now there's the ability to add a linked AWS account. For this demo, we're going to click Save and be finished at this point. Now when we return to bill analysis in Virtana Optimize, we can see the data is already being collected.